What's up guys, my name is Nandakishore from digitalarmchair.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a WordPress website in 10 minutes with Hostinger. And we will be doing this in 5 simple steps. So by the end of this video, you'll be able to create any kind of websites with this simple method. So if you're ready, let's get started. Step number 1, get a hosting and domain. So to begin with, you need hosting and domain. And these are the two important things to start a website. Hosting is a place that lets you to store your website data, that is your themes, plugins, media files and more. Domain is the address for your website. For instance, www.createdynamicwebsites.com. So your next question would be, how do I get this? Yes, to make it easy for you guys, I have provided the link in the description box below, get hosting and domain. Just click on that. It will take you to this landing page that I have created with Hostinger. So if you are just starting over, you can go with the single web hosting. But what I would recommend is you go with the premium web hosting because you're going to get free domain for 1 year and a SSL certificate for lifetime. And you can create up to 100 websites and storage up to 100 GB SSD. Alright, now click on add to cart and that's going to bring this page. Okay, now you can choose the period for how many months you want this hosting. The more period you take, the maximum discount you are going to get. So in this case, if you go with 48 months, you're going to get huge discount of 71% upfront, which is crazy, right? Go with that. Now you have to create an account. You can enter your email or you can log in through your Facebook or Gmail. So once you've done that, scroll down and now we have the payment option. You can make the payment using any of these payment methods. So before that, I would like to show you the summary of our purchase. You're gonna get premium web hosting for 48 months, SSL certificate for lifetime, and a free domain for 1 year. All these you're gonna get it for this price after discount. Awesome, right? Now for my subscribers, I'm gonna give additional discount that I have worked out with Hostinger. Just use my channel name as coupon code to get additional discount. Why you should choose this hosting? Because you're gonna get 24/7 365 days chat support, excellent customer reviews optimized for WordPress, and most importantly you get top speed and performance. Now select the payment method. I'll choose UPI and scroll down and click on submit secure payment. Here you got to enter your address and click on continue with payment. So I'm going to quickly make the payment. So once you make the payment, you'll be redirected to the Hostinger dashboard. Now go to your email and check the inbox for verification email sent by Hostinger and click verify to confirm your account status. Step number 2, install WordPress. Now click on this manage next to this hosting and from here scroll down to the website and click on this auto installer and that's going to bring you to this page. As you can see, these are the content management system or CMS options you get, but we are going to choose the most popular one, that is WordPress. Select that. Now add a username. This will be used for WordPress login. I'll explain that later. And then add a password and then add an email. Then give your website a title and then click install. Now WordPress is installing to your new domain and this should take a few seconds. Alright, now the installation is successfully completed. Now to access your website dashboard, you need to enter your domain name followed by /wp-admin. So this will take you to a page which looks like this. If not, in a few cases you won't see this login page because Hostinger has to notify the servers across the world that hey, this domain name is created. This process is called propagation and this would take about 1 hour, but they say it can take up to 24 hours. But in my experience, it would take roughly about 1 hour, or in many cases it would be done instantly. So if you don't see this page, then pause this video, take a little break and come back after an hour. So after the break, now check and see if it works. So click refresh. If it works, continue to next step, or else wait for some more time and then come back and check. Also, you can go to this link dnschecker wordpresstutorial.org to check the propagation status. Just enter your domain name and hit search, and this checkmark says it's resolved. You can also see in the world map. It's showing the status check everywhere, so we are good. Now enter the username and password and click on login. Step number 3, install a new theme. Now we are going to be using a theme called Astra. To install a new theme, just head over to Appearance tab and click on Themes, and then click on Add New, and in the search box type in Astra and you will get Astra. Go ahead and click on Install and then click Activate. Step number 4, install plugins. Now to use this Astra theme, we need some plugins. So to install plugins, go over to Plugins and click on Add New and search for Starter Templates. So you will see this one right here with over 1+ million active installations. Go ahead and click Install Now and click Activate. Now to start building the website, we need some foundation or some ideas. So this plugin offers bunch of templates and it's available for different page builders. So go to Appearance and click on Starter Templates. It supports these page builders. So we are going to be using Elementor. As you can see, there are plenty of templates to choose. It has premium ones as well. So to see only free ones, just click here and select free. Now it should display all the free templates. To view, just click any one of them and you can preview the home page by scrolling, and on the right side you can see other pages that comes with this template. If you like this and to use this template for your website, just click on Import Complete Website and check all these and click Import. Alright, now click on View Site. So this is how your new site looks. That brings us to step number 5, customize your theme. Now to edit content of any page, just go to that page and on top click on Edit with Elementor. Now to change this heading, just click on that and you can change the text from here. To change the color, size, font or any other customization, go to Style and you can do that from here. To change the button text, just click and change it from here. If you want to add a link to this button, then just remove this hash and you can add the link here. If you want to change the background image, by clicking these 6 dots right here and go to Style and choose this and upload a new image. Or you can choose the free images from Pixabay. So once you are ready with all these changes, just click here to save it. Now click back and refresh. As you can see, all your changes have been updated. Similarly, you can do the changes to other sections of the page. Now what if you want to change the header and footer section? You can access the editing window right here. Just click on Customize. And if you notice this pencil icon, just click on that and on the left hand side you can do the changes. So if you want to know the complete tutorial on how to customize Astra theme, I'll be making separate video on that. So please subscribe to Digital Lanka channel and stay tuned for the latest updates. So that's it guys, hope you are able to build your own website with the help of this tutorial. Let me know in the comment section below, and also make sure you join my Facebook group and share your website link along with the experience you got after building your first or new website. Thank you guys, see you in my next interesting video. As always, keep learning new things and share your knowledge. Peace out.